Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix hacked accounts in FaceApp. So if you think your FaceApp account has been hacked, this situation is a bit different than with social media. So FaceApp accounts are usually tied to Apple, Google or Facebook logins. So the real risk is the account used to sign in. So actually guys, first you will need to secure your login provider first. So the FaceApp itself doesn't usually store passwords, so fix the linked account. So if you are using the Apple ID, you will need to change your Apple ID password. If you're using the Google account, you will need to change your Gmail or email password. If you're using Facebook, do the same with it. So also enable the two-factor authentication or 2FA on the account immediately. And guys, if you really want to check for suspicious activity, so just look for the unknown logins and devices, the emails about new signs in, and the tries to change the password and changes you didn't make. Also remove any unfamiliar devices and sessions. Also guys, you will need to revoke the FaceApp access and reconnect. So you will need just to go with your phone's settings or your device settings, and right here you will need to go with the Apple ID. So just tap right here on your Apple's name, and here you will need to locate the FaceApp just right here or inside the iCloud. Okay, so once you locate it, just tap on it and then remove it or do remove FaceApp. Okay, then just go back and log back into the FaceApp. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.